I challenge you to commit to YouTube for 90 days, not forever, not 5 videos a week, not becoming like Mr. Beast or anything like that. Because let's be honest, unless you've got like a spare $1 million lying around for chocolate factories and private islands, that's probably not going to happen. All right. Now I'm talking about just 90 days because in one 90-day period, I actually made 61,783 with just a handful of YouTube videos, and I had less than 2,000 subscribers. And I did not have one single viral video. You don't need to. Now, either I got incredibly lucky or almost everything you've been told about growing on YouTube is completely backwards. So I'm Mark Whiteley, and on this channel, I help ordinary people build recurring affiliate commissions using just one traffic source, one recurring offer, and about 1 hour of just focused work each week. That's all. And if you'd like me to show you exactly how I do it, I've actually put together a free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass, and you can access that just by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, don't click away just yet, because later on in this video, I'm going to actually show you the one thing that I did that made me the #1 affiliate for this particular product. And it had absolutely nothing to do with subscriber count at all. So let's get something out of the way here. You do not need thousands of subscribers. You just don't. You don't need viral videos, definitely not. And you don't need to upload videos every single day. And no, affiliate marketing is totally not dead. People have been saying affiliate marketing is dead for longer than I've had hair. And trust me, I've been losing that battle for quite a while now, right? As my kids like to tell me. The truth is, though, people don't buy because you're famous or anything like that. They buy because you solve a particular problem that they have. So when I crossed the 61,000K, I still hadn't even cracked the 2,000 subscribers. So if subscribers weren't the reason, what actually was? Most people think YouTube is social media. I don't. I actually think it's Google wearing fancy clothes. Think about what people actually do over there. Nobody wakes up thinking, I wonder what random stranger uploaded today. No, they actually type in something. For instance, how do I make recurring affiliate commissions? How do I grow an email list? How do I start affiliate marketing? They're raising their hand saying, I have this problem, and your video simply needs to become the answer and provide the solution. That's really it. There's no dancing around. There's no pointing at sort of like floating text on the screen or anything like that. There's no pretending to be sort of shocked with your mouth wide open in that particular thumbnail, although apparently that's still a thing and it does actually work. But here's where nearly everybody sort of like, they drop the ball. Even when they do get those views, when someone actually watched one of my videos, for instance, I didn't actually mention or immediately throw an affiliate link at them. I just don't do that. That's like sort of proposing marriage on the first date. A little bit awkward. You'll probably get slapped. Instead, what I do is I offer them something completely free, a lead magnet, right? Something that sort of solved the first piece of their problem. Then they go ahead and they join my email list. Then my emails continue to help them. Then when it all actually makes sense, I will recommend that recurring affiliate product, the thing that provides them solution. You notice the difference here? I wasn't actually chasing commissions. There's no desperation. I was just building trust. The commissions simply followed. That's exactly how those YouTube videos generated me 61K. Now I'm going to prove that on the screen right now. All right. And you've seen that before, because I know someone in the comments is already sort of warming up their keyboard, ready to, type in something like, Photoshop or anything like that. No, nice try. If you'd like me to show you exactly how I build this system, I can do that. And that's what I'm providing in that free affiliate marketing masterclass. And that's going to walk you through everything, step by step. And once again, that is the first link waiting for you in the description. You'll see live proof of all the income I've generated. You'll see live proof of all the people I've helped and their income. So here's the thing that really nobody ever talks about. Why am I saying 90 days? Because YouTube is a little bit like going to the gym. Nobody walks in, lifts one dumbbell, looks in the mirror and says, damn, I look good. I look like Thor, right? No. It compounds. The first month, you're kind of learning, and the second month you're improving. And then, by month 3, YouTube is going to start figuring out exactly who your videos are for. Your email list will start to grow. People start recognizing your name. Okay. And then recurring commissions will start to begin appearing pretty much naturally. Suddenly, what felt almost impossible 60 days ago starts feeling pretty normal now. That's exactly what happened to me. Not because I was smarter than anyone, not because I had more subscribers, which I didn't. I simply stayed in the game longer and consistent, way longer than a lot of people. But here's the uncomfortable truth here. Most creators don't fail, they quit. There's a massive difference here. So here's the challenge for you. Forget chasing subscribers. Forget chasing viral videos. Forget trying to become some YouTube famous legend or whatever. Instead, just to commit to kind of helping one person solve one problem with one video at a time. Offer one valuable lead magnet that helps them out and recommend one recurring product that genuinely helps them. Repeat that process for 90 days, and honestly, you're going to be surprised because the goal isn't becoming an influencer, remember? The goal is building an income. That's what you want. Big difference. And like I said, if you would like me to help you show you that shortcut and shortcut that whole learning curve, don't forget, click that link below and watch that free affiliate marketing masterclass. And it is the first link in the description below. And I'd love to help you out. I'm sure that will enlighten you a lot. Now that you know why challenging yourself to commit to YouTube for 90 days is important, the next thing you need to learn is exactly how I generated the $61,783 in just 90 days selling digital products and why I ignored Instagram and TikTok. So I want you to click the video on the screen right now. I'm going to show you the proof, the strategy, and exactly how you can model it for yourself. I'll see you over there.